Thumby is nothing new. They make these adorable, somehow fully functioning electronics like this portable display and this little game console. But what is new is the Thumby Color. And I gotta say, right out of the gate, I love this thing. I mean, the design reminds me of, what's the one? The Game Gear, right? Vita? He wants to correct me so bad. It looks just like the Game Boy Advance, which, okay, Thumby Advance maybe would have been a better name. It doesn't matter. The point is, it's got a brand new processor in here. This is the new Raspberry Pi RP2350 processor. It is clocked at a whopping 150 million hertz with 2 cores and has 520 kilobytes of SRAM along with 16 million bytes of storage, which is just another way of saying that it's, yeah, pretty basic, but oh my goodness, look how tiny and cute it is. And there's a lot more going on here that might not immediately meet the eye. For one thing, USB-C charging, man, you gotta love that. You can't take it for granted on tiny devices because the USB-C port does take up a bit more space than a micro B. There is apparently a rumble motor in here. We've got A, B, D-pad, functioning shoulder buttons as well as whatever that is, and oh, an on-off switch. No way, that actually looks really good. The display may be tiny, but it's also mighty. This is a 128 by 128 color display, and it comes preloaded with, wow, look at these classic games. We've got 4 Connect, not to be confused with Connect 4. I mean, that would be, that would be a trademark violation. Wait, what is that? Listen to this. I mean, of course it has a speaker, but I don't know, I didn't really think about it. It's so small. It uses a magnetic buzzer speaker. We'll get to playing games in a second. First, I wanna see the rest of the games. Chess, Monstra, Puzzle Attack, and Sand. Wow, Solitaire? Wow, Son of Morris. How are there so many games on here? Thumatro, the sequel to Thumgeon. I'm gonna try some of these in a minute, but first I gotta tell you about our sponsor. Hohem. Are you tired of ugly, shaky, amateur-looking phone videos that ruin your memories? Well, the iSteady V3 is a compact gimbal with a built-in tripod, detachable remote, and a 205mm extension rod for added versatility. Its AI tracking and 3-axis stabilization keeps things in focus, and with the V3's upgraded fill light, you can get creative anytime, anywhere. So whether you're a full-time vlogger or you just want some help capturing those special moments, pick up the iSteady V3 using our link below and make filming on your phone a whole lot easier. The screen's actually, it's not anti-glare or anything, but it's very usable. Now on the production model, the sound will be adjustable, but I'm apparently stuck with whatever volume I get, so. Oh my gosh, it's going so fast. This isn't like casual, dude. I would say that I could be a little more accurate if I could get a little closer to it. Is that red? I can't even tell, I can't even see. Come on, no, get in there. I'm dead already. What the heck? I mean, in fairness to them, I guess, if you've got like 6 games, you don't want them to be too easy, because then you're gonna get tired of them pretty quick, but that was really hard. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm supposed to talk about button feel. Honestly, about as good as you would expect. Like they're obviously micro switches, right? You're only gonna get so much feel to them, but it's usable. Let's try a different style of game. I don't know what Monstra is, but we're gonna play it. We're gonna play some Monstra. Whoa, what? I'm Bart Simpson. I'm gonna fight a gorilla. What the? What the heck just happened? Oh no! No! No, I got him. He's only got 3 hearts left. He's got nothing. He's trash monkey. I got him. I got him. I win. That's it? No award ceremony? Oh, I tamed the bear! Oh, he's so cute! Look at his big shiny eyes! You know what's kind of missing? Where's the little hang loop? How am I supposed to keep this on my keychain? You know, we never really got the perspective shot, actually. This is wild. This is in a child's hands. Look at that. Standard AA battery. Like, boom. Same length. Oh, you can put other games? Okay, that's pretty cool. So that USB-C port's not just charging, that's also data. Okay, that's pretty sick. By the way, they anticipate about 2 hours of gameplay per charge, which honestly, so far with these games, seems like lots. Connect 4, you can play multiplayer Connect 4 with 2 thummies. Sorry, 4 Connect, excuse me. Can you play multiplayer of the other games? Like what about Solitaire? Can you play multiplayer Solitaire? Boom, got him. Oh my goodness, that is, wow. Wow, that, boy, is that ever something. I don't know about Solitaire, but I do like the idea of being able to load other games onto here. Oh, I've been playing all the and more games. Maybe I should have tried the ones that they actually highlight. Yeah, it's never, it's never a good sign when you're the and more. It's like our special guests, a name, and more, and you're and more, it's not good. Okay, Son of Morris. Whoa, look at this go. That's like 2D graphics. Okay, I am throwing magazines. Like they're flyers, I guess? I'm throwing flyers? Can I destroy a car? No, I just have to dodge the car, I think. Whoa! Whoa, I can fly. All right, ba ba ba, ba ba. Oh, display density, not that bad. Size, yeah, could be a little bigger. Could be a little bigger, I think my last question is how much is this thing? Because if it's like 15, 20 bucks, then I think there's a pretty compelling value on offer here, especially if we get a library of like actual games. 50 bucks, now get it. You got a battery, you got a processor, you got some RAM, got some buttons and switches and display and all that, I get it. But cute product, very cool idea. Questionable to buy it. Subscribe to ShortCircuit.